The WISETOOL 20V Cordless String Trimmer and Edger is a versatile and efficient tool designed to simplify lawn maintenance tasks. Its 2-in-1 functionality allows for seamless conversion from a string trimmer to a wheel edger in just seconds, saving users the expense of purchasing separate equipment. Equipped with command feed technology, this trimmer ensures convenience by enabling users to add more lines as needed with the push of a button, eliminating the hassle of bumping. Additionally, the package includes 2 extra replacement lines, enhancing user convenience and extending the trimmer's lifespan. With 4 adjustable design features, including a retractable string trimmer with a 180 rotation handle and a head that pivots 90, this tool provides a comfortable working environment and facilitates easy maneuverability, even in hard-to-reach areas or on slopes. The long-lasting 2.0Ah20V battery included with the trimmer ensures extended operating time, supporting 15–30 minutes of use in various environments. Moreover, the battery is compatible with other WISETOOL cordless tools, offering additional versatility and cost savings. Boasting powerful specifications such as an 8,500 RPM no-load speed, 4.80 FIVLBs ultra-lightweight fuselage, 12 cutting diameter, 0.65 line diameter, and a 16 feet spool length, this trimmer delivers reliable performance for a range of lawn care needs. Overall, the WISETOOL 20V Cordless String Trimmer and Edger combines convenience, durability, and power, making it a valuable addition to any homeowner's or professional landscaper's toolkit. With its user-friendly features and versatile functionality, this trimmer streamlines lawn maintenance tasks, ensuring efficient and effective results with minimal effort.